Hey, Nonna P,
Yeah,
what are you making now?
I'm gonna make the stuffing.
Stuffing for Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
Oh,
The
right.
way I'm making Italian way.
The Italian way. You don't buy it at the store?
No, cut an onion
Chop a chop.
and I put it with the chopped meat.
You got the chopped meat over here? Beautiful. Don't cry, Nonna.
I think it's
Don't
good
cry.
enough. I'm not crying.
You sure? You look like you're crying. It's the onions.
If it's just for the onions, it's okay. If it was something else, then okay. It's
It's
better
okay.
off with the onion.
Oh, poor Nonna. All right, it's on the stove. What else are you
Little
gonna
salt.
put? Some oil.
You cook a little bit. Careful.
Chop up some celery, right?
I gotta put it in here too.
Okay.
Look. I put a little black peppers.
Okay. What's this bread for, Nonna?
This is the one I make. I'll use my another stuff.
Oh my God, of course you do. You put your bread in everything you cook with. That's why it's so good.
This is the bread.
Rip it up into pieces. It's like your own breadcrumb,
Yeah.
right?
Gotta stay a little bit long, for a little bit, 5 minutes.
You're gonna put it together, that's it?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you got the egg for the
Put it in
stuffing?
the stuffing. Watch this there. You watch now.
I watch. Oh yeah. Put it together, Nonna. Beautiful. Mmm, that smells so good.
Ready? Wait, I'm not done yet. The eggs. Romano Pecorino cheese.
Okay.
A little bit.
A little bit of cheese, of course. Nonna, did I ever tell you the stuffing is my favorite part of Thanksgiving?
I know. See,
My
all
favorite.
my grandchildren love it.
A little bit more bread, doesn't hurt nobody.
Now I'm gonna put a little bit breadcrumb, get a little thicker. That's it.
And then you put it in the turkey.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. And I put it inside the turkey. I sew it and I put it in the oven.
Grazie, Nonna.
Comes in my little
The stuffing's in the ghoul?
Yeah.
All right, look at that stuffing. It looks good.